please don't tell my wife I got this. Who am I kidding? She knows already. And she sentenced me, so I need to sell another camera just because I got this one. And this is a new series that I'm gonna do, unboxing stuff. Not fancy at all, not trying to be fancy, but I just got the new Insta360 X6. And guys, this is pretty cool. I have the selfie stick, pretty cool. What else? Oh, okay, this is the package. The bag for the camera comes with stuff inside, I guess. Oh, cable. Yeah, cable, important. You need the cables. Cleaning cloth, quick start guides, a bunch of papers here and such. Put this to the side here. There's a charger. I'm gonna open up if I can. Right, with an extra battery actually inside, as you can see there. See that? There are new batteries on this, so they're definitely different to the other batteries for the Insta360s. I like this. Oh, it has even a thing. This is a cable. Is this a cable? Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. It's hidden in the case, the cable. So I love when these companies do a crazy cool design like that. It's pretty nice. Super slim. Enough of that. The camera. This is the important part. Let's unbox this really quick. Look at that. That's definitely smaller than your typical Insta360 camera. A little bit thicker and smaller. As you can see there. Just gonna open that up. That's always satisfying. Nice. Okay, that's on. Just turning on right there. Cool. And then you have all the menu stuff. English, yes. I need to do something with the app, of course. You need to connect that with the app. So I'm gonna look for my app right here because there's a QR code there. I think it's connecting already. And there's firmware that you need to do. You need to download. They do a bunch of cool stuff with the firmware, especially because this now has iLog. And I'm pretty excited about that. Added 8K 50, 6K 60 FPS, 8K 100 bullet time, 10-bit color, iLog. There's quite a few upgrades here. Upgraded audio too, so it has a windproof audio. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. Let me take this off too. This is the microphone right there. Cannot wait to see how this looks on video, but I'll show you that in another video. New camera, Insta360 X6, and let's see how it goes.